Pairing your remote to your chatter duct. Lift your back up and the call up, and you have to turn it on underneath. When you turn it on, make sure that you let everything back down so that the sensor will pick up the weight of the back as it's programming. And the program, whichever function you want, you hold it down for 12 seconds. That off, and all you have to do is push the button. Turn it off is 4 seconds. Hey guys, an important message on pairing your remote to your chatter duct. Every chatter duct that is on at the switch, even if you have it turned off with the remote, if it is on at the switch, when you press a button down for 12 seconds, every on chatter duct will pair to that button that has been pressed.